Be a giant. Let's pretend we're a giant. It's morning. Time to get up. So sit up and yawn. Stretch like a giant. Stretch. Time for exercise. Have to do some giant squats. Let's do 3. 1, 2, 3. Now toe touches. Let's do 3. 1, 2, 3. Guess I will brush my teeth. Not too much trouble. Open your mouth, close it, and say no. It's time for a yummy breakfast. Sit down. Let's pretend we're eating breakfast. Yummy octopus legs. Cow bones. Where's my dragon tails? Ah, here they are. Now for my dessert, frog eyeballs. Mm, 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 mm. I'm done. Stand up and wipe your mouth. Time to scare the humans. Take 6 giant steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Jump and roar, roar. Now look at those people run. Think I will take a nap in the sun. Lie down and snore.